Good morning. Today I'm working on a Hussmann frozen food door that's not closing. The torsion rod or door closer is broken. I started taking it out. Sometimes they don't come out too easy. There it is. So you can see it's all wet. It broke. This is the good one. So that's gonna slide. That's gonna slide in the door like that. But you gotta get the plastic piece out. Kind of tough with one hand. There it is. You gotta get this out. And then I made a special tool to go in and grab, and it's not always easy. There it is. You see? It grabs it. Now you can pull out the torsion rod. And again, that's not always easy. One hand here. Trying to show you the whole thing here. It's much easier with two hands. Much easier. The big thing is you got to have that tool to do it. As you can see, it's coming out, but nothing's easy in life. There it is. Throw that in there, and of course the other one fell on the floor. That's all right. All right. So, just slide that in there. Oh, hold on 1 second. Okay, that slides in there. I put grease all over that. Grab the hammer. That's it. But the key is, without that tool, without this tool, you can't get this torsion rod out. So that torsion rod or door closer costs about $60. The door costs about $1,000. If you can't get the torsion rod out, you can't repair the door. Now it's just simple as, you change out your hinge socket. That's called a hinge socket. Put a new one of those, and then just pick the door up. On the other end here, this pin just pushes in and out. I'm going to take that out. That's it. There's a spring in there. I'm going to grease that up. Put that back in. You push that down. And the door snaps right in there. in, that's today's job.